Let me ask you this. Who said skewers have to be grilled and juicy? Today I'm showing you how to make crispy, spicy, deep-fried meat skewers right in a regular frying pan. And guess what? No grill, no oven, no fancy tools. Just a slow-cooked beef base, loaded with bold desi spices and fried to perfection. Let's get started, you're gonna love this one. This is not your typical kebab. We're slow cooking the beef till it's super tender, then giving it a spicy, crunchy finish in the pan. No marinade soaking, just a full-on flavor punch from dry spices. 1 medium onion, chopped. Start with 1 kilo of boneless beef, 4 whole garlic cloves, half a piece of ginger, peeled and chopped, 2 bay leaves, 6 cloves, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 1 TSP turmeric, 1 TSP salt. Add boneless beef into a pan with all these spices and 3 glasses of water. Give it a quick stir and bring it to a boil. Then cover and let it simmer on low heat until the beef is fully tender and all the water is absorbed or mostly reduced. Beef should be soft, but not falling apart. We want chunks that hold on a skewer. Now that the beef is cooked and cooled slightly, move it to a big mixing bowl. Add these spices directly into the meat. 1 TSP red chili flakes, 1 or 2 TSP black pepper powder, 1 or 2 TSP salt, adjust to taste, 1 TSP coriander powder, 1 TSP whole cumin seeds, and 3 TSP cornflour. Mix it all together until every piece is coated. This dry blend will help form a crust during frying, no need for any wet marinade here. Tip: if you're using wooden skewers, soak them in water for 20-30 minutes so they don't burn while frying. Heat your oil in a wide pan on medium to high heat. I'm using canola oil, but any neutral oil works. Test the heat with a small piece. If it sizzles immediately, the oil is ready. Fry the skewers in batches for about 3-4 minutes per side or until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. Avoid overcrowding the pan, let the oil do its magic. Tip: too many skewers at once, soggy results. Always fry in batches. Once golden, pull them out and let them rest on paper towels. Hear that crunch? That's the sound of perfectly crisped meat skewers, no sogginess, no grease overload, just flavor-packed bites with a firm finish. Make sure the beef is tender before frying. Stick to dry spices, no wet yogurt or pastes. Cornflour is key for crispiness. Don't overcrowd the pan, you'll lose the crunch. If you love this dry-fried beef skewer recipe, hit like and subscribe for more tempting food videos. And tell me in the comments, would you try this with chicken, lamb, or even mutton? I read everyone. Bonus hack: want extra crunch? Mix in a teaspoon of rice flour with your corn flour. Street vendors do it all the time, works like a charm.